Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I'm like so pushed up against the camera and my camera's kind of crooked. Sorry about that. I'm also going to lose battery. Anyway, I just got my stitch fix, my first stitch fix ever. I've wanted to do it forever, but I just haven't. I never really had the money. And then I was like, oh, I have too many clothes, which I still have too many clothes, but there are a few pieces that like I just don't search for a lot, but I would like to own. So I'm like, this is the perfect thing to stitch fix for. I have so many options or suggestions for my next box. Hopefully my first one is good. Really what pushed me over the edge is my friend. I complimented a few of the pieces she was wearing when we met up, and they were all from Stitch Fix, even outerwear, like her jacket. So anyway, I'm gonna dive into it because I just cannot wait. Even the little tape has Stitch Fix on it. I got this little card. It says, oh, hello. I love the little like Tiffany green or blue. It has some different options. Yeah, if you refer a friend, you get $25. Thanks for letting us style you. Okay, I have it. Ooh, a cold shoulder top, which I asked for. Collarless blazer. Bia-Knit pencil skirt. Keegan Faux wrap brush something. And a mixed materials something. Maybe jewelry. Cool. Then there's also this. Welcome to Stitch Fix. We hope this experience is the start of a beautiful and stylish relationship. So try on all 5 items. Okay. Use the cards for style inspiration. So it has to be within 3 days of receiving your shipment. Okay. Cool. And I schedule it every other month, but I might do quarterly. We'll see. And it's this like shop by category because they have like men's and kids too. So here's the return label. And it's United States Postal Service. Cool. So I have a drop off right there. So if I can fit it in, then I'll be good to go. I like that it's wrapped in this, very practical paper. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love, and it feels so nice and soft. Okay, I don't know where I stopped, but I got the least inexpensive box or price range. I love this top. I think it's Fortune Ivy. I think it's the Shawnece mixed materials, black medium, $36. I asked for a cold shoulder top, and I could wear this to work as well. This is gorgeous. I love the detailing. I don't know if it's in the front or the back. Okay, this video is going to be so choppy. I'm sorry. It's the battery. But I just tried on the first 2 tops. I really like them. This, I peeked at my style card. This is a dress. Like a faux wrap dress, I think. I asked for a nice summer dress because I've been wanting one. So this looks really nice. And this is Fortune and Ivy-Kegan faux wrap dress, brushed something or other dress, navy, medium 48. Hopefully the medium fits and I don't need a large, but I can always ask for that. Then this one is a blazer. I like this. I don't have a blazer like this. It'd be great for work or even just to dress up an outfit. So this is the Raha collarless blazer in Burgundy, medium 68. I love the inside too. 68 isn't too bad for a blazer. I think 48 is a bit much for that dress, but it does feel well made. And then this is a pencil skirt. So this is I asked for a skirt. I don't know if I really would have gone pencil skirt, but I did say stuff for work. So I really like this. This is a size Petite 14. When I did ask for Petite, so that's great. And someone's calling me at work. I will have to get that later. But this is brown 14 Petite 68. That's not bad for this kind of skirt. And then here are the style options. I like the blazer options. I like that dress they show. The pencil skirt, I like the pencil skirt options. The scallop blouse, I don't like how they have that. The cold shoulder, that's okay. I wouldn't go that crazy with the colors. And then, yeah, what they have for the dress are pretty nice. So I will try on the rest. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you guys. Maybe I'll put pictures or I don't know. We'll see how that works. But yeah, I will report back.